Is that incessant running sound from your toilet driving you crazy? It's a common problem, often caused by a faulty fill valve, leading to wasted water and higher bills. Today, we're tackling this issue head-on by showing you how to change your toilet's fill valve in just 3 easy steps. It's a quick, clean, and straightforward DIY project, meaning you won't need to call a professional plumber. Our first crucial step is to completely shut off the water supply to your toilet. Locate the small valve, typically found on the wall or floor directly behind or beneath the toilet tank. Once the water is off, flush the toilet to completely empty the tank. This ensures all remaining water is drained, preventing any spills during the next steps. Now, let's move on to removing the old valve. Carefully take off the toilet tank lid and set it aside in a safe place. Inside the tank, you'll see the fill valve. Underneath the tank, unscrew the large plastic nut that secures the fill valve to the tank using an adjustable wrench. Once the nut is loose, you can carefully lift out the old fill valve from the tank. Take this opportunity to thoroughly clean the seal seat at the bottom of the tank, removing any sediment or debris. With the old valve removed and the area clean, it's time to install the new one. Carefully insert the new fill valve into the hole at the bottom of the tank. From underneath, hand tighten the new nut onto the valve. Then use your adjustable wrench to snug it up, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the plastic. Finally, adjust the float to your desired fill level. This usually involves a simple clip or screw mechanism on the valve stem, ensuring the water stops at the correct height. Now, turn the water supply back on by rotating the shut-off valve counterclockwise. Let the tank fill completely, observing the new fill valve in action. Once the tank is full, perform a leak check. Place a dry piece of paper or a paper towel around the base of the fill valve and the connection points to detect any moisture. And there you have it. Water savings and total silence restored to your bathroom. You've successfully changed your toilet's fill valve, preventing constant running and conserving water. In our next video, I'll show you how to change a P-trap to prevent other common leaks. Subscribe to our channel and keep learning valuable DIY skills.